Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Discovering More Now. In this series, we are going to share some tips and strategy to level up your 9 to 5 skills. In today's video, we are going to share a quick way how you can use your iPhone to share screen in your next Zoom meeting. We recently saw many corporations have mandated their employees return to the office. It doesn't matter whether you're working in the office or you continue working from home. Screen sharing is very important for remote collaboration. So by the end of this video, you will know how to use your iPhone to share screen in your next Zoom meeting with 3 simple steps. Let's dive in. Step number 1. Check your iPhone settings. To make sure you have the proper settings on your iPhone, you need to turn on the Allow Screen Sharing option. To do that, go to the settings on your phone, and then go to Control Center. Scroll down to find the screen recording and add it to your list. This will allow you to access the screen recording feature from the Control Center. Step number 2. Join a Zoom meeting. Open the Zoom app on your iPhone and log in if necessary. Once you are in the app, select Join a Meeting. Step number 3. Start sharing. Once you have joined the meeting, tap on the Share button from the bottom menu, and then select Screen on the pop-up menu. Last, you just click on Start Broadcast. And now you are sharing your iPhone screen. Okay, now you got it. That's it. So with these 3 simple steps, now you know how to use your iPhone to share the screen in your next Zoom meeting. I hope this video has been helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this. And let's gear up your 9 to 5 skill. Thanks for watching. Bye!